Hi everyone, welcome to the first full week of FTEC 110. The topics for these first few weeks, remember we cover 2 modules each week. So for module 1 and 2, we're going to cover topics like an introduction to our food system. Also, we will look at food quality, food decomposition, food waste. We'll look at the idea of food processing also. Processed foods is a term that is used a lot, but typically the way that it's meant from a consumer sense is something that's highly processed. Things like, Doritos or, other snack items, things that have a lot of ingredients and a lot of processing. And we generally view these in a relatively negative sense. But it's important to consider, and something that you will learn throughout this course, is that that's really not just processed food is not really the correct term. There we're talking about highly processed or ultra processed foods. Almost everything we eat has gone through some level of processing, from a piece of meat to, some frozen fruit or frozen vegetables. And we'll learn in this course that processing is not always a negative thing. There are a lot of reasons why we put food through some processing. And those are some of the stuff that we will really dig into in this course. So you will see some of the benefits of processing our food in different ways and the reasons why this can be advantageous. And then we will also look at some of the concerns related to the level of processing that we do. We'll also take a look at some things like food additives in this course, which is tends to be a concern for a lot of students. So these are all some topics that we will just start introducing in these first few weeks. Remember, you have 2 discussions and 2 quizzes. The 2 discussions are an introduction, and then I also kind of combined the topic for modules 1 and 2 in the second discussion, mostly just because I did not want you to have to do 3 discussions this week with the introductions, and I do think introductions are really important. So I combined modules 1 and 2 into a discussion, and hopefully that will be an interesting exploration for you. Let me know if you have any questions about this work or anything else as you are getting to know the course and the schedule and things like that. I am here to support you, so please make use of that however you need it, and I hope you have an excellent first week.